How to create WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can create WhatsApp group. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up WhatsApp application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now navigate to top right corner and tap on three dots icon. A menu box will pop up in your interface. So from there, tap on the first option that says new group. Now you have to select the contact that you would like to add a new group. Once you're done, tap on the green icon from the bottom right corner. Now you have to write or name a group. So you can simply name a group. Once you're done, tap on this green icon again from your right hand side of this interface, and with that you will have a group in WhatsApp and you can chat on that group. And that's how you create a WhatsApp group. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.